brave move, stroke crazy move, however you want to see it. It's a nice start, nice drift into the pads.
Well, he bowls from time to time in the power play in the BPL, Nasir saying. He's better than a part-timer. Not a big turner, but fires the ball into the pitch.
Oh, and he's gone! Ball thrown up in the air, a bit of dip. Narayan's eyes lit up. He went to smash it out of Abu Dhabi. Played all round it, the ball thudded into the stumps.
Well, he takes the pace right off this, Nasir is saying. Really flighted. Have a look at that. Yeah, normally fires the ball in flat. Clever bowling. And son of Narayan, well, he's looked out of touch for a while. He's got to go early. Cleaned up for one. Taken 2 for 1.
Places Sunil Narayan. He's just been cleaned up and his leg stump knocked back by Nasir hossain. Fine bit of bowling. Lovely to see a spin bowler take the new ball. Something I never did. I hid away from that as much as possible. But not afraid to take the new ball. No turn, just went on with the arm. Great start for his team. Might have argued they could have had 2 there, but Shahzad is a no-nonsense runner between the wickets. He just didn't do it.
Well, this is the wicket again. It's good bowling. It really is good bowling by the captain. Nasir hossain, flighted, not usually his go-to option. Normally fires the ball in flat and tries to get LBW and rush onto the batsman. So outfoxing the, you've got to say, out of sorts. Sunil Narayan. Great start though from Pune. This is a really good start. A couple early always helps pull back any kind of rate in the power play.
And this one's clubbed away on the leg side. Oh, a nice bit of fielding. Oh, is this going to be a run-out chance as well? So straight away, Pune fielding a lot better than the Arabians did in the first game. The victorious Arabians, if you missed that match. Where were you? What were you doing? You missed a belter. They won by 5 wickets against the Warriors. However, their fielding was club 3rd 11 on a Sunday standard. Ah, this one's been smashed away. It's going to go all the way onto the bank for 6.
Well, that's a beauty. That's Shazzy to a T. He's been doing this for Afghanistan for the best part of 10 or 12 years. Boom, plenty of power. Again, it's tossed up by Nasir. It's risky bowling, it really is. Shazzy doesn't need a second invite. Onto the bank.
Yeah, you're right. No one needs a second invitation in this game, let alone Shazzy. He made no mistake whatsoever. Getting all his weight behind it. Oh, but this one's gone straight up in the air. Is it going to be 2 wickets in the over? It is! Brilliant from Hossain. Wasn't scared about being hit for 6 again. Took the pace off the ball again. Threw it up. Shahzad went for the big hit. Top edge, straight in the air. And well caught at square leg.
Wow, brilliant captaincy from Nasir hossain himself to take the new ball. And not afraid to give it a bit of flight. Shahzad, well, he pumped him into the stand the previous. This is a good catch, really good catch. It looks easy into the night sky. And Nasir hossain, the prince from Dhaka, absolutely massive wicket.